Hello everyone and welcome to this video on monitoring equipment availability in Prexa 365. In today's business world, keeping track of your equipment is crucial to success. But with so many pieces to keep track of, it can be a challenge to ensure everything is working in order and ready for the next job. How do you keep track of your equipment? Managing equipment availability can be a challenge for rental companies with a high demand of equipment and limited supply. It's important to have a system in place to track equipment availability, and that's where Prexa 365 comes in. Our solution provides a centralized platform for rental companies to keep track of their equipment inventory and ensure that your customers have a positive rental experience. And that's why it's important to monitor your asset status in real time. And how would you do that? Of course, you have to stay ahead of the game with real-time equipment status. It's important to be able to pull out any data of your equipment, either they are available, on rent, on hold, or scheduled for pickup, or even missing from your inventory. Let's see how Prexa 365 manages equipment availability. Let me share my screen with you. And now we are at Prexa 365 application. In order to see the assets and their availability, we should change to the asset management module. Go to assets. You might find the status of your equipment right here. Either it's on rent, available, scheduled for pickup. And for example, you want to see all the assets which went on rent. You select the filter on rent and apply. But with Prexa 365, we went even further, and we created the operational report for you. This is the advanced reporting being embedded in Prexa 365. So, for example, the inventory list is visually organized over here. You might see all the statuses at glance, either the equipment is how many equipment you have available, how many went on rent, scheduled for pickup, on hold, and others. You can also filter them up by the specific asset. For example, let me select this one. Also, you can filter them out not only by asset level, but also by the group level, by acquisition date, and also by the brand. It's very important for the management to have all this information to be able to analyze and forecast the equipment usage in the future. And thank you for watching this video on monitoring equipment availability in the rental industry. I hope this information was helpful. And if you are willing to learn more, please follow me. And also you might visit our website, prexa365.com.